So hello YouTube, in this video we'll be exploring the latest updates to IDME and I'll be explaining how you can benefit from this financially. Okay, so let's proceed. Alright, so first then you go to IDME website. Okay, on the website you see the options at the top. So you just open the government option and you'll be taken to this page. Okay, so you have your IDME login, you can actually sign in. Otherwise, you are required to create an IDME account. Okay. All right. So on the government page, I'm gonna show you how you sign in. So you basically just open the sign in option, and you see this page. Okay. So you put in your email address and the password, and ensure you're using the SOC 5 or RDP. If you don't have an account, you're gonna have to create one. Okay. So now let's move to the next topic. Okay, the shop option on the website. All right, so IDME has partnered with a lot of brands across USA. Okay, so basically what this allows is you get a discount when you purchase from this brand using IDME. Okay, and these discounts are unique to your profession. So I'm just going to scroll through the page so you can see all of the companies, the brands that IDME has partnered with, and you'll see there's an indication just below each brand. You can see military, medical, military, military, first responder, teacher, military. Okay, so basically you can see at the bottom of the page, you see military, nurse, responder, teacher, government, medical, and student. Okay, so all of these brands have partnered with IDME such that if you're going to shop with IDME, you get a discount. Okay, so I want you to go check it out yourself and explore it. Okay, and also you also get the option to look up your tax transcript and also get your IP pin for your tax refund. Okay, so once again you can see all of these different professions and how you can benefit from each one of them uniquely through IDME. Okay, so exploring the other options, now you can manage your IRS online account. You can manage your social security benefit and services. You can manage direct deposit for retirement benefits, and also get your IRS tax transcript. Okay, so I'm just going to open each one in a new tab. So we're going to check it out and see what it's all about. Okay, so if you're enjoying the video, kindly just hit the like button. It's really not easy to make this video and to help make this video reach a lot more people. Okay, so I'm just going to keep exploring and explaining the benefits that comes with IDME updates. Okay, so now this has to do with managing your IRS online account. Okay, so now this is irs.gov. It's a different website. You can see all of the features. Okay, prepare and file your federal income tax refund, IRS direct file, document upload to. You can basically just hit the arrow button and you see all of the options available. So get your tax records, IP pin, tax withholding estimator, taxpayer assistance, IRS free file. Okay, so if you need any of this service, you can actually just use that link. Okay, you can also see the disaster relief, find tax relief information. Okay, so also through IDME, you can also access your disaster relief. Okay, and you can also get to IRS free file through IDME. Okay, so I just want you to go to the website and explore it yourself so you understand better. So basically on this page, you can access information related to your disaster relief for your state. Okay, so if you want to know about the disaster relief available in your state, you can just check it out here. Okay, so let's just move on to the next topic. So file your taxes for free. This is IRS free file. Okay, so use IRS free file, use IRS direct file. Okay, so you want to use IRS direct file. Okay, IRS free file is for those that have an AGI that is less than $84,000. Okay, so you're going to be using like a fillable form. Okay, or guided tax preparation, but you want to use IRS direct file, you can see that it says file online directly with the IRS for free, okay? But for the other option, you're going to use a guided tax software, so you definitely want to use IRS direct file, okay? So you just basically file online and it's going to be free, okay? So like I said before, there are two options for free file. You use the guided tax software if your AGR is $84,000 or less, and it's also the direct free file, okay? Or you file your tax for free online, okay? So we're going to talk about that right now, okay? So file your taxes for free. The deadline for free for direct file has been extended to October 15, okay? But just so you know, so if you're interested in knowing more information about IRS free file for direct file, you just go to directfile.irs.gov and you see all of the information you'll need, okay, for your direct filing. So if you have any questions concerning IRS direct file, feel free to hit me up, okay? You check the video description and you see my contact. All right, so let's just move on to the next topic. All right, so you also get the option to get your IP PIN for your IRS tax refund, okay? And you can also enroll for an IP PIN. Okay, if you do not have an IP PIN already, you can actually apply for one, okay? So this is the page, so you can check it out yourself. So that's basically for IRS. So if you're interested in knowing more, you want to get better understanding of all of the updates linked to IDME via IRS, you can just go to irs.gov. You can always go to IDME and you check IRS and just check everything yourself, okay? So move on to the next one, Social Security benefits. Okay, so basically when you're on IDME website and you want to log into your Social Security account, you can now sign in with IDME and you have access to your Social Security account very easily. And there's also the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs. I believe this is for retirement benefits. As you can see, it's also linked to IDME. So with your verified IDME login, you can have access to your retirement benefits, also your Social Security benefits. So if you're interested in knowing more, you can always go to va.gov. So once again, if you're enjoying the video, kindly hit the like button and share the video, okay? So now let's go to the government option for IDME. This is IDME/government, okay? So on this page, you get to see all of the financial benefits you can get from IDME, okay? And you can see that I'm scrolling down, and as I scroll down, you can see federal services, IRS revenue, state services, future state services, Social Security, U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs, and also Department of Health and Insurance Affairs, okay? So basically, this is just like you get access to IRS benefits. You also get access to Social Security benefits. You also get access to retirement benefits. You also get access to health and insurance benefits, okay? So as I scroll down, you can see all of these options, and you can see benefits individual, healthcare individual. All of them have this button that says connect with IDME. So once you have a verified IDME wallet, what you basically want to do is just connect with IDME and you get access to that particular government benefit, okay? So as you scroll down, you see more and more services. So these are state services. You can see Arizona, Department of Economic Security. This is for unemployment, housing, and healthcare benefits, okay? So these are state services linked to IDME. Okay, so it's unique to your state. You can always just scroll down till you find your state. So you see the benefits that are available for your state, okay? So you can see I'm just going to keep scrolling down, and it features basically all of the states in the US and the benefits that's attached to them. Okay, so just want to view more state services, click that button and you can see all of the services that are available for the state level. Okay, and as you know, there's also a federal level, there's state level. Okay, so ID.me is basically linked to all of these benefits financially. So once you have a verified ID.me wallet, you basically have access to all of these benefits. Okay, so guys, that basically wraps this video. I want to keep the video short. Okay, so thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, like the video, share the video. Okay, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification. Okay, and also I've actually compiled a PDF on ID.me. Okay, it's more detailed, has more information. So if you're interested, kindly just check the video description and send a DM. No calls, only messages, please. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Once again, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification so you don't miss my next video. Okay guys, so that's a wrap. Bye.